Howdy folks, welcome to a very echoey spray room. Back on with the spraying tips here, just another quick one to help you along, get you going, and this one is all about distance and it is very, very important as well. So I'm going to flip the camera over to the door. Got a couple of shaker doors that I've made. What I'm going to do is put the camera on that, show you the procedure and the tip, and yeah, hopefully you'll learn something from it and enjoy. Okay then folks, so quick tip for you. When you're spraying, I'm going to spray these down, but what I'm going to do is flip it up just to show you a little bit easier. Is that in focus? Yeah, lovely. Okay, so when you're spraying, obviously we've said that you need to keep your gun at a consistent distance across the panel. Now when you're doing that, in conjunction with that, you want to make sure you keep your wrist straight, nice and firm. Don't bend it like that, because what will happen, if you can envision the paint coming out, if you're going along and you're moving your wrist, when you're moving it along there, the paint or the gun is further away from the item that you're spraying, so you're not going to get a consistent amount of paint as you would do here. So that's why we keep our gun, start it here as previous, and we keep it going across like that. Keep your wrist as rigid as possible. You will obviously see people doing it like that. You will get paint on there, not a problem, but as a rule of thumb, you want to keep your wrist as rigid and as straight as possible. And that will give you a consistent airflow, consistent paint flow, and that will just give you a lovely coverage all over. So let's stop talking and let's get some paint on. As always guys, wear a mask no matter what.